Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you this makeup look. So this makeup look is basically a monochromatic look, the same type of a color on your eyes, cheeks and on your lips, so it looks like one. So that is a monochromatic look. So I have gone basic in this look. Like I have applied a pink reddish sort of a eye, then a pink blush and a pinkish sort of a lipstick, so it looks like one. But you know, people go like ham on this, like they do purple monochromatic look, black, brown, and you know, brown is still on the neutral side, so I have gone into a neutral side of this monochromatic look. Also, I have a small announcement for you guys that I will be posting 2 videos per week from this month, so get excited for that because I have so many things lined up for you. So yeah, I am super excited. You guys also get excited because I have so many different things for you guys planned and lined up. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going to the video. So okay, now let's start with our makeup look. So first things first, I'm using this Lotus Herbal Safe Sunblock Cream. Again, sunscreen is really important, although you're sitting at home now, but still you need a sunscreen. So this sunscreen leaves a white cast behind, but it is not that evident, at least on camera, but in the real life I can see a white cast. But again, it doesn't remain for a long time, it does fade out in like few seconds, so that's not a issue. But just a heads up that it does leave a white cast a little bit. The next I'm using is my concealer, that is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. By now you guys know all my products, so yeah. Still, as always, all the links will be in the description box below. So again, this LA Girl Pro Concealer is a medium coverage concealer. It's not a high coverage concealer because when you apply that, you can still see a little bit of blackness in your under eyes, and you can obviously build it up. That shows that it is a medium coverage concealer because you can build it up. The high coverage one you cannot build it up because it becomes cakey, but the medium coverage you can obviously always build it up. So if you see a little bit blackness under your eyes and you want to cover it up, you can surely go and you know, apply one more coat and you can blend that up and it will not at all look cakey. The next thing I'm using are these two things. It is Maybelline Master Strobing Cream, and the next thing I'm using is Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So again, my regular thing, I'm mixing these two things to get that sheer coverage. So again, you can, as this is also a medium coverage foundation, you can go up to your under eyes again and you can apply this all over. It will not look cakey. This is a perfect foundation for all the beginners who don't know how to go with the foundation or how to blend it very well or how to choose your foundation. There are beginners who don't know how to like apply foundation. If they go a little bit overboard, then too it will not look cakey. So a small tip to all the beginners to buy a medium coverage foundation first rather than going for high like full coverage. If you know how to blend it properly and you know, so you can go for a full coverage, but otherwise go for a medium coverage foundations. As I'm sweating now because it's too hot here, so you know, my foundation has already started creasing. So quickly, let's just use the powder to set our face. I'm using the Color Bar powder in the shade Beige Classic. So obviously you can use brush for this step, but believe me guys, Beauty blender gives a flawless finish to your loose powder application. Then let's go for our brows. Again, I am using my Miniso pencil in the shade grey. When I was learning my makeup, the one thing that was really difficult for me to learn was doing the eyebrows, shaping the eyebrows. But I have learned it in a very hard way. Okay, the next thing we will be doing are our eyes, which is a main thing in this look. Like eyes, cheeks and lips are the main things in this look. I am using my Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 palette, Reloaded Neutrals 2. And I am using this shade and the dark shade together for my outer corners. The next thing I will be using is this light pinkish sort of a color on my lids. Then I am using this whitish type of a shade for blending everything in. It does do a pretty good job of blending, but it has a really very much fallout.
Like it's a powder.
Again, using the same color I used for my outer corners, that is red and pink. So again, using the same color, we'll be doing my lower lash line. Then I am using this eyelash curler from Miniso. I bought this from Miniso, and I do not use this on regular basis. As you can see, as you have seen in my videos, I don't use this, but I thought today let's use it. Can you see the difference in both of my eyes? This eye looks a little bit bigger than this. Now we will be applying our mascara, which is Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline New York. So as you can see, I have applied a little bit of kajal. This is Avon or Lakme kajal, one of them. I do not know because the branding is like vanished. I have used this a lot, so I have applied a little bit of that. I use this Sugar Contour the Force mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. So our bronzer is done. The next thing will come is the blush. I am using Color Bar blush in the shade Rosy Peach. So I have done a little bit of different method today. Like I have only concentrated my blush towards the high points, because our face looks like lifted up when we only concentrate our blush towards the high points of the face. The next thing will be our lipstick. So again, I wanted something on the pinkish sort of a tone, so I chose this lipstick from Nykaa, which is Bombay. So like you guys must be saying that
What you are saying that you chose this lipstick, you almost use everyday this lipstick.
but I have few more lipsticks, but I go towards these two lipstick, like this lipstick and the Wet n Wild lipstick, more often. So you guys must have seen me using these two lipsticks more often, but I do have more lipsticks, so I told that I chose this one to go with the monochromatic look. So the next thing I will be using is the setting spray, which is Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray, to set all my face. The last step will be applying the highlighter, which is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Blossom Glow. So this is how my look turned out to be. As you guys can see, a very big thumbs up for this look. I am totally telling you guys that I will be doing this look more often, because I like to go to neutral side more. I really hope that you guys like this video, and for me this look was a really very big thumbs up. I really hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do tell me in the comment section below how you guys like this look and what else do you want to see on this channel. And also do not forget to hit the bell button beside subscribe button. Every time I'm online, I post a video, you guys will get notified. So also get excited for 2 videos per week. I am pushing myself a little bit more nowadays for the YouTube thing. So please support me, show some love guys. Do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to show your love. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We will meet next time. Bye.